Hi guys, and welcome back to Paulette Christina. I am so excited for today's video. I want to show you my summer small porch makeover on a budget. If you like all things cooking, cleaning, decorating, organizing, motherhood, and homemaking, please subscribe. It really helps my channel. Thanks so much, and let's get right into it. This is my neighbor's cat, Daryl, and he is keeping me company and very interested in what's about to take place. So I found these gardening squares about a year ago, believe it or not, at the 99-cent only store. And I know how expensive this greenery is, although it is fake, and it's very popular now. And I found them. They're 9.5 inches by 9.5, and didn't have enough to complete this project, but I will show you how I do a workaround on it. So I used a staple gun here, and I literally just stapled it right into this part of the porch, and it was a lot harder than I thought it would be. It took me quite a while. I edited a lot out of here, and I sped up the video so that you don't have to see every little detail and everything that I did. But you get the general idea. I researched the company that makes these squares, and they're all sold out. So I am vacuuming this area. This is a dark gray, very high quality rug I found on Marketplace for $10. And I was able to get another one to give to my neighbor for free in a taupe color, and she loves it. So just vacuuming here, kind of straightening up and getting it all nice. I'm actually going to put the chair right in front of this area where I don't have the other squares. And you can't even tell, even when you swing the chair around. These chairs you'll see I got off Facebook Marketplace as well a little while ago, and they were 2 for $60. They are awesome and amazing, and it kind of gives a little bit of that boho look. You'll see a little bit later on how they look with everything else. We're getting into the drop cloth curtains. I got these a while ago as well. And what I'm doing right now is I'm hemming the sides or any of the edges that I had to cut so that the material doesn't shred and make a mess. So I am using this iron-on hem tape. You can get it at Walmart. It's the cheapest there from what I've found. And it works really awesome. And so I can take this drop cloth and throw it into the washing machine, and I'm not going to have any problems here. If I want to go back and sew the edges or the top or anything like that later, I can absolutely do that. But I wanted to make this really time efficient. So just kind of showing you what I'm doing. Drop cloth is amazing. You want to get the kind that doesn't have any kind of plastic on the other side. Typically these are found in Home Depot. I believe I got this off of, I may have gotten it off Amazon. And at the time, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 curtains I made out of this for less than, I think, $35.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you.
So I'm repurposing a curtain rod that we already had, and I want it to look high quality and withstand the wind and the elements. It is going to be on the porch, so I really want it to, I don't want it to fall down or bend or crack or anything like that. So I'm drilling a hole here so I can, I don't really know what this is called, to be honest with you. But whatever it is, to put the curtain rod in. So I'm just eyeballing it. I don't use a measuring tape. I've done this quite a few times, so I'm pretty confident in my own measurement. And so I'm drilling the hole. And then I'm going to get a different bit and screw in the curtain rod holder. See, that's the other bit that I put in, and there's the screw for that side. So I'm going to change out bits, and with my power tool here, and there you go. I'll spare you all the details. See on the right side there at the top, half of that is open. So we're going to put the curtain rod and slide it in there. See, I put it in the left side first, and then I'm going to just slide it over the top and pull it down. And it is level, a-okay. We're good to go. Okay, I'm repurposing here. I've got, it's actually like a little stool from Daiso. And I have some extra fabric that I'm just gonna literally hot glue on each side here, and then the rest I'm taking rubber bands and I'm cinching it together, and I'm just gonna use the rubber bands to pull that material together, and then I am going to tuck that underneath. It might be a little hard to see, but I'm just repurposing here because I didn't want to buy another planter and have something else sitting around. This will do the job fine, and you'll see exactly what I mean. See how I kind of grab that all together? I do the same on the other side, and I put another rubber band around there. Okay. And then like two little pigtails, and then I just tuck that underneath, and that works just fine, and you'll see the finished in a moment. That really works. And so I have a plant that I'm putting, this kind of grass plant I'm putting in the corner of the porch. I'm now cutting the top of this off because I'm actually going to place this in a basket that I used to use for some of my son's shoes, but now his feet are bigger and we can't use the basket for that. So I put a clear liner at the base of the plant inside the basket so that when I do water it, any excess water doesn't spill out and damage the basket over time.
You dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much
I had some extra upholstery material that I used to cover these pretty custom large cushions that were with the chairs when I bought them. I can always just throw these cushions in the laundry, or I can change out the material another time if I like, but they seem to work just fine. I picked pillows for the chairs that would pull in colors from the outside, something that was fun, felt like summer, something bright, but also there's like a stripe of gold through these pillows, which is a little bit of bling, which I love. They also zipper off so I can wash them, and I can also change them out when I want to change the colors. I bought these pillows with a gift card at Home Goods. They were about $30 a piece. They're really large and they're nice and cushy, so these were a perfect find. And we just love the porch at nighttime as well, in the moonlight with the lanterns and the patio lights. It gives us just some nice privacy, and it's a cozy little spot that any of us can sit and just enjoy nature. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to having you watch in the next one. Bye-bye.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't